We're always searching for ways to feel our best, aren't we? From ancient practices to cutting-edge discoveries, the quest for optimal health is a journey that never ends. Lately, there's been a buzz around a simple yet intriguing element, hydrogen. Could this tiny molecule, abundant in the universe, hold the key to unlocking a new level of well-being? Some say hydrogen water is just a fad, but exciting research suggests it might be much more. Could this be the next big thing in the world of health and wellness? If you're curious to learn more, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the latest updates on hydrogen water and other wellness trends. Simply put, hydrogen water is what it sounds like, water that has been enriched with molecular hydrogen, or H2. This means that hydrogen gas is dissolved into the water, creating a solution that is different from regular water. The process involves infusing water with hydrogen gas, which is a colorless, odorless gas that is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe. This isn't about the hydrogen already bound to the oxygen in water molecules. That's the H2O we all know and drink every day. Instead, we're talking about adding extra hydrogen gas, which dissolves into the water. This additional hydrogen is not chemically bonded to the oxygen, but rather exists as free hydrogen molecules, or H2, within the water. When hydrogen gas is added to water, it dissolves and creates a solution that is rich in molecular hydrogen. This process is similar to how carbon dioxide is added to water to make carbonated beverages. However, instead of creating fizzy bubbles, the dissolved hydrogen remains largely invisible, though it can still be detected with the right equipment. Think of it like adding carbonation to make sparkling water, but instead of bubbles, you're getting a boost of this tiny but powerful molecule. The hydrogen gas is infused into the water under pressure, and when you drink it, you're consuming these dissolved hydrogen molecules. This process can be done using special hydrogen water generators, or by purchasing pre-made hydrogen water. Hydrogen water is generally tasteless and odorless, so you're essentially drinking what tastes like regular water. This makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine without any noticeable difference in taste or smell. You can drink it just like you would any other water, whether it's straight from a glass, in a bottle, or even mixed into your favorite beverages. The difference lies in the potential health benefits that this extra hydrogen might provide. Research suggests that molecular hydrogen has antioxidant properties, which means it can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This could potentially reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, leading to various health benefits. Some studies have indicated that hydrogen water might improve energy levels, enhance athletic performance, and even support cognitive function. While more research is needed to fully understand all the benefits, many people are turning to hydrogen water as a simple way to boost their overall health and well-being. While science is still unraveling all the ways hydrogen water works, the leading theory revolves around its antioxidant properties. You see, our bodies are under constant attack from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage our cells and contribute to aging and disease. Antioxidants help neutralize these harmful molecules. Hydrogen is thought to act as a selective antioxidant, targeting the most dangerous free radicals while leaving beneficial ones untouched. It may also activate the body's own antioxidant defense systems, providing a double dose of protection. Numerous studies on hydrogen water have shown encouraging results. While more extensive research is needed, preliminary findings suggest it may offer a wide range of benefits, from boosting athletic performance to supporting cognitive function. It's important to note that many of these studies are in their early stages, often involving small sample sizes or focusing on specific populations. However, the initial findings are promising and warrant further investigation. Let's explore the scientific research that has been conducted on hydrogen water, examining its potential benefits and the areas where it has shown the most promise. The studies we will discuss span various fields, from sports science to medical research, highlighting the versatility and potential of hydrogen water as a health supplement. Let's take a closer look at some of the areas where hydrogen water has shown potential. The scientific community has been increasingly interested in the effects of hydrogen water, leading to a growing body of research. These studies have been conducted in various settings, including laboratories, clinical trials, and real-world environments, providing a comprehensive view of its potential benefits. For instance, studies on athletes have found that drinking hydrogen water may reduce muscle fatigue and improve recovery time after strenuous exercise. This is particularly significant for those who engage in high-intensity workouts or competitive sports, as quicker recovery times can lead to better performance and reduced risk of injury. The antioxidants in hydrogen water are believed to help neutralize free radicals produced during intense physical activity, thereby reducing oxidative stress and muscle damage. This could be a game-changer for anyone looking to enhance their athletic performance. Imagine being able to push your limits further, knowing that your recovery will be faster and more efficient. This potential benefit of hydrogen water is not just limited to professional athletes, but can also be advantageous for fitness enthusiasts and anyone who leads an active lifestyle. In other studies, hydrogen water has been linked to improved blood sugar control in people with type 2 diabetes. This is a significant finding, as managing blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing complications associated with diabetes. The research suggests that hydrogen water may enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress, which are key factors in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. It has also shown promise in reducing inflammation, a key factor in many chronic diseases, from heart disease to arthritis. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying issue in numerous health conditions, and finding ways to mitigate it can have widespread benefits. Hydrogen water's anti-inflammatory properties could potentially improve quality of life for individuals suffering from chronic inflammatory diseases, offering a natural and accessible means of managing their symptoms. The ongoing research into hydrogen water is promising, but it's important to note that more studies are needed to fully understand its effects and potential applications. As with any supplement, it's crucial to consult with healthcare professionals before making any significant changes to your health regimen. The future of hydrogen water research looks bright, and we can look forward to more discoveries that may further validate its benefits and uncover new uses. How to incorporate hydrogen water? If you're intrigued by the potential benefits of hydrogen water, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your routine. Hydrogen water, known for its antioxidant properties, can be a refreshing addition to your daily life. But how do you start? Fortunately, there are several ways to do so. The first and perhaps the simplest method is to purchase hydrogen water that's already bottled and ready to drink. These bottled versions are convenient and can be found in many health stores and online retailers. You can purchase hydrogen water that's already bottled and ready to drink. This is a great option if you're always on the go and need something quick and easy. Just grab a bottle and you're set for the day. Or if you prefer to make your own, there are hydrogen water generators and tablets available. These devices allow you to infuse regular water with hydrogen gas, giving you the flexibility to make hydrogen water at home. Generators can be a bit of an investment, but they offer the convenience of having hydrogen water on demand. Experiment to find what works best for you and your lifestyle. Some people prefer the taste of bottled hydrogen water, while others enjoy the process of making their own. You might also find that using tablets is the most convenient method for you, especially if you travel frequently. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the potential benefits of any health regimen. Incorporate hydrogen water into your daily routine, whether it's by drinking a bottle with your lunch or using a generator to make a fresh glass every morning. Keep track of how you feel and any changes you notice in your health. Over time, you may find that hydrogen water becomes an essential part of your wellness journey. While the initial research on hydrogen water is promising, it's crucial to acknowledge the need for more extensive studies. Larger, long-term trials are necessary to confirm these early findings and determine optimal dosages and long-term effects. Science is an ongoing process of discovery. As we delve deeper into the world of hydrogen water, we'll gain a clearer understanding of its potential and how best to harness its benefits for optimal health. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to try hydrogen water is a personal one. As with any health trend, it's essential to approach it with an open mind, a healthy dose of skepticism, and a commitment to doing your own research. Here's to empowering ourselves with knowledge and making informed choices on our journey to optimal well-being. This information is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have heard here. Remember, my friends, your mind and body are connected and are a valuable gem to cherish and nurture. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That will encourage me to keep bringing you informative and educational videos like this one. Until next time, my friends, be well.